In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can make a safe that you need to open with a combination. So let's go to our objects here and let's see what we've got. We've got a room that I've called the basement here. This is a damp basement with stairs leading up. I haven't really modeled the stairs leading up, but I've got a safe, and that is a container that is openable, lockable, and locked. And that's in the basement, and I have some coins, and the coins are in the safe. And you should probably put better description on the coins. So let's pop over to our functions and make a function for unlocking the safe. So I'm going to make a function called unlock safe and click add. And if I right click here and go into containers, unlock a container using a code or a combination. So that's what we want to do. And if you don't have your snippets organized into folders like this, you just grab the latest version of Lantern and they will be organized for you. So let's say unlock a container using a code or combination. Okay, which object is the container? Well, that would be the safe. Which object? What is the code or combination? So let's say it's 11223344. Now in your game, you could write the combination down on a piece of paper and hide it somewhere, or you could put it on a birthday card or something. Happy birthday, blah 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 blah. But the date is actually the combination. Like once you have the combination, opening the safe isn't really much of a puzzle. The puzzle is finding the combination or figuring out what the combination is. So I'm going to enter, but I'm going to put in 11223344 as my combination. And then it says, would you like to add the following sentence? Unlock, if the player types unlock safe, call the unlock safe function that we just made. So what this is going to do is it says if the safe is locked, it's going to say enter the combination, and then it's going to ask us for a line of input. And what happens then is that Lantern looks up that string, whatever was typed in, it sees if it can find it in its dictionary, and it gets the if it can find it, it figures out what string number it was and stores it in a variable called answer. So answer is a built-in variable. So if this string exists in the string table, then we're going to unlock the safe. So now the safe is not locked, so we're going to set its locked property to 0 and its open property to 1. So we'll print you successfully unlock and open the, and then we're going to print the name of the object and then print a period. And then we want to print the contents of the safe, right? We don't just want the description of the safe. We want to see what's inside it. And if the code that the player typed in wasn't found in the game's dictionary, then it's not going to do this. It's going to do the else clause, and it'll print that code fails to unlock the safe, right? And if the safe was already locked, well, oh, you know what? That's a bug. There we go. I gotta go fix that. All right. So by the time you run into this will have been fixed. This should be a 0. If the safe is oh, no, that was correct. That was correct. If the safe is locked, yes, if the safe is locked, we want to unlock it. If the safe is not locked, we're not going to do this. We're going to do the else, and we're going to print out it's already unlocked. And then let's go to our sentences here. And remember, Lantern asked us if we wanted to add a sentence. So it made a sentence. So if we type unlock safe, it's going to call that unlock safe function that we just made. So now let's run this and test it out. There's a safe here. Okay, examine the safe. Okay, the heavy iron safe has a combination lock on it. Unlock safe. Enter the combination. And then it asked me for that up here, which is kind of annoying. 11223344. I'm going to fix that. Okay, and now we're running into the debugger. Okay, and you successfully unlock and open the safe. The safe contains coins. Okay, so it should be a pile of coins, or maybe I'll get rid of the A. I'm still figuring out what I'm going to do with that. And take the coins. Oops, take coins. There we go. So now I've taken the coins. Well, there's my safe. Now, if I examine the safe, it says the heavy iron safe has a combination lock on it. Maybe when I examine the safe, I want the description of the safe, plus I want it to print out whether the safe is opened or closed. So let's make this a little slicker. I could type look in safe. The safe is empty. Okay, close the safe. Look in the safe. Safe is closed. Okay, but like maybe we want to have it, if the safe is open, we'll have it print out the description of the safe and then the contents. So let's go to our functions here and let's make a function. I'm going to call it x underscore safe. X for examine safe. And then what we'll do, let's see what we've got here. Containers, print whether a can, okay, so how do we print out the description of the safe? Well, you could just do a print line, PR tab expands to print line, and we could print out the description of the safe. That would work. We could also say describe the safe. That will print out the description of the safe. And then let's type look in safe. So when we examine the safe, it's going to print out that description and then print out whether the contents of the safe. So then let's go up here. Let's go to our sentences, and let's say if the verb is examine and the object is the safe, then we want to call our examine safe function instead and click add. So now let's save this and run it. There's a safe here. Examine the safe. The heavy iron safe has a combination lock on it. The safe is closed. Okay, unlock the safe. Enter the combination 11223344. Okay, and then examine the safe. So there we go. So now we're getting, when we examine the safe, not only are we getting the description, but we're also getting whether it's open and closed state, or whether and anything it contains. Let's take the coins. Okay, and then let's examine the safe again. Okay, so the safe is empty, right? So we can see inside the safe. So there's how to there's how to model a safe. So we did two things there. We used the wizard to make this unlocking the safe thing, and then we also decided to get slick and override the examine function, so that when we look at the safe, it prints out not only the description of the safe but also its contents. So there you go. There's how to model a safe.